In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right settings so your reports stay clean and accurate. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company file. This brings you to your dashboard. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping because it tells QuickBooks how to categorize every dollar you earn or spend. So once you're in, find Chart of Accounts from the left menu, typically under Accounting, and click it to open your company's full list of categories. Now, create your new category. Click New or New Account. A setup window appears with a few fields. Start with Account Type, which is the broad bucket for this account. Choose Income for sales revenue and service fees, Expense for routine costs like subscriptions or utilities, Asset for things your business owns such as bank accounts, inventory, or equipment, Liability for what you owe like credit cards or loans, and Equity for owner's capital and retained earnings. Pick the one that best matches how this account will be used. Next, select the Detail type. This is a more specific label within the account type that helps standardize reporting. If you're not sure, pick the closest match. It won't change how math works, but it can make your financial statements clearer. Give the account a clear, descriptive name, such as software subscriptions or office supplies. You can add a description to remind future you how to use it. If your company uses account numbers, enter one and keep your numbering consistent with your existing structure, so reports sort the way you expect. Consider whether this should be a sub-account under an existing parent. For example, gas and electric could sit under utilities. Sub-accounts help with organization without cluttering your main profit and loss. For opening balance, only enter an amount if this account truly has a starting balance on the date you begin tracking it in QuickBooks. For bank or credit card accounts, use the statement balance as of your start date. If you're migrating data or an accountant is handling beginning balances, leave this blank to avoid duplicates. Confirm the as of date matches your books. Some regions show fields like currency or tax line mapping. Adjust these only if you know they apply to this account. When everything looks right, click Save or Save and Close. Your new account is now available for transactions and reports. That's all there is to it. Open QuickBooks, go to Chart of Accounts, create a new account, fill in the details, and save. If you're unsure about account type or balances, check with your accountant to keep your reports accurate.